This is the letter J. Big J, little j. The letter J makes the sound J, like jam. A lot of words begin with the letter J, like jet, jog, jump, juice, jar. What animal word begins with the letter J? J is for... That's right, jaguar. What is a jaguar? Jaguars are big, powerful cats with beautiful spotted golden yellow coats with black spots that help them blend into their forest surroundings. Jaguars love to eat meat like fish, deer, even capybaras. They live in rainforests, swamps, and grasslands in Central and South America. Jaguars are great swimmers and can even hunt in the water. Let's look at some different jaguars for ideas. What do you see? I see jaguars in many different styles. Look at their different types of spots. There's no right or wrong way to make a jaguar. Let's draw a jaguar. You need paper, marker, and something to make color with. Time to create our jaguar.
And our very first shape is going to be a small sideways oval that's colored in. This is going to be our jaguar's nose, and we're going to build the rest of his face out from the nose. From the top of your thin oval, you're going to do a skinny triangle. Underneath your oval, you're going to do a little bit of a wider oval that's also laying down. And now we're going to do our eyes, small circles on both sides of the nose. A little itty bitty circle colored in on the inside. Awesome, now we have a very basic jaguar face. So we're going to do a circle around the whole face. It's not a perfect circle, that is totally fine. We're going to do 1, 2 little rainbow lines on both sides of his head to make his ears. I'm going to do little rainbow lines on the inside. Now I'm going to add some details. I'm going to go underneath my oval nose and do a straight line down. I'm going to do a couple little dots inside of his snout and some whiskers on both sides. That's just going to help me remember that this is his face. So now I'm going to start building the body. I'm going to put my marker on his chin and do a long, thin oval up and around and back to his head. That's going to be his body. Underneath the front of his body, we're going to do 1, 2 sideways ovals, and underneath the back of his body, we're going to do 1, 2 sideways ovals. He must be taking a walk. Now we're going to connect our ovals to our body using straight lines down from the big body oval to the little feet ovals. Alright, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. We have a body, we have a head. We're going to give him a nice long tail. I'm going to do a wiggly line, little hook at the end, and wiggly line back. Now we learned all about our jaguar's cool spots. Now not all of his spots are circles, so you could do some wiggly shapes in there. Whatever looks good to you. I'm going to go back and add in little lines, 2 little lines each inside his oval feet. And I'm going to give mine thin little upside down triangles for his claws, because that looks good to me. And there we have it, a jaguar. Now jaguar begins with the letter J, so I'm going to do a big J and a little J just to help me remember.
All right, now's the time to add color. I chose to use orange and yellow for my Jaguar's fur. And multicolors for his spots. Ta-da! You made a Jaguar. That's amazing. Remember, Jaguar is for J. Thank you for joining us. Please consider liking and subscribing to Bold Soul Whimsy. See you in the next one.